హలో నమస్తే ఈరోజు మ్యాథ్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గురించి ఇంట్రడక్షన్ తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాథ్స్, what is the importance of mathematics, what are the branches of mathematics. So let us see, today we discuss the maths is the main branch. It has mainly three parts, that is number one, number system, and two, algebra, and the last geometry. See, this is the basic conceptual understanding diagram. So that is maths derived into, it is a tree, like this tree derived into three main branches. One is a number system, one is algebra, another one is geometry. So what is the number system? So in this case, number system is deals with only numerical values. So in this number system which deals only numerical values, this is represent only numerical values, that is the number system. So this is algebra which deals numerical values and alphabets. This is a combination of numerical values and alphabets. So numerical values combination of number system and alphabets. So alphabets are called variables and numerical values are called constants, because constants does not change but variables are changes. Depending on its position, whenever you have to do x is equal to 2, it acts as x is equal to 2. When you have to give the x is equal to 3, it deals as x is equal to 3. So then geometry. So geometry means geo and metry. Geo is earth, metry means measurements, some calculations you have to measure. In ancient days we measure the earth, we use the concept of geometry. Today, so firstly we discuss number system. So in this basically they have to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits are in the number system. So these number system 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called significant digits and 0 is called insignificant digit. So what is the number? What is the number? So how to define a number? These are the 10 digits. So what is the number? Number is nothing but the combination of these digits. Using these 10 digits you have to write a number. So that is, for example, 1 to 10, that's 10, 1 0. Whenever you have to write any number in the entire mathematical numerical values, you have to write whatever number, we use only these 10 digits only. Okay, so then natural numbers. So what is the natural number? So all the counting numbers or all the significant numbers are called natural numbers. So significant numbers are counting numbers. What are the counting numbers? So counting numbers are called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever you start the count with 1 onwards, not 0. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and so on. All the counting numbers are called natural numbers, not digits. Here all the counting numbers are 1 to infinity. So these all called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to infinity. These are called natural numbers. So next, the whole numbers. So what is the whole number? So what is the whole number is nothing but all the counting numbers including 0. So in this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. So all the counting numbers including 0. So these are denoted by capital W. So are you clear? So these natural numbers and whole numbers. What is the difference between natural number and whole number is, so natural numbers are defined as all the counting numbers are called natural numbers. All the counting numbers including 0 is called whole number. Next number, that is integers. So what is the integers? Integers is also known as zeal numbers. Integers are represented by I or Z because integers are known as the zeal numbers. So see, in this -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity. This is called integers. In the integer set, there are negative numbers, non-negative and non-positive number. So that is 0 and all the positive numbers up to infinity. So these called integers. See, observe carefully, natural numbers has only counting numbers, whole numbers have only counting numbers including 0, and integers all the counting numbers including all the whole numbers and negative numbers also. So this is the main important parts of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. And next one, rational number. What is the rational number? Then after completion of these definitions, I will give you the pictograph clarification I will give you. So rational number. So what is the rational number? Rational number is nothing but, rational numbers are represented by so these rational numbers p comma q are two integers. P comma q are two integers where q is not equal to 0. Where q is not equal to 0, then a number can be written in the form of p by q is called rational number. See, this set can be written as p comma q belongs to integer. Integer represented by I or z. Integer, comma, where q is not equal to 0 and p by q. This is the set of integers. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7, like that. So these are the rational numbers. So what is the irrational numbers? So rational numbers can be written in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. The numbers cannot be written in the form of p by q is called irrational numbers. So and real numbers. This is the real numbers. So what is the real numbers? The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. See, I'll give the one of the factorial concept. So first, this is the natural number set. This is whole number. This is the natural numbers. These are whole numbers. These are integers. These are rational numbers. Q. Rational numbers are represented by Q. So, and this is Q dash. These are, and all are real numbers. See, observe this. So, natural numbers, only the set. All the counting numbers are called natural numbers. All the counting numbers including 0 is called, these all natural numbers, and remaining 0 is called whole numbers. This is a complete set of whole numbers. And all the natural numbers, whole numbers is called integer. All the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and these are rational numbers. So this is the rational number, cannot be represented into p by q form. It is a irrational number. The combination of rational number and irrational number is called real numbers. See, every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number, because natural number starts with 1, but whole number starts with 0. So every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. Same, simultaneously, every whole number is an integer, but every integer is not a whole number, because whole number starts with 0, but integers, it has a negative values also there. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus infinity. So in the whole number set, there is no negative values, there is a starts with a 0. So all the whole numbers are integers, but all the integers are not a whole number. So all the integers are rational numbers, but all the rational numbers are not a integers.